Hi, I'm Timothy Linsdau. I'm a video producer, Christian, and sometimes environmentalist. I'm here at the Tijuana River Valley Estuary visiting today, so enjoy. Just breaking in here to give you a note on this little tour of the Tijuana Estuary. There's a helicopter field run by the Navy right where I'm at, and it's going to be kind of noisy at times. But enjoy the videography of the area. It's a unique area to us, and so just enjoy what you can of it. Thank you. This is the Tijuana River Valley Visitor Center, the Tijuana River Estuary. This is a nice picnic area near the visitor center. The beginning of the short trail. One of the negatives down here is there's a Navy helicopter field, and it's going to get a little noisy at sometimes. And here's the beginning of a nice trail. It goes down. There's a short version and there's a long version. But there's multiple trails. And some go down near the streams in the estuary. A lot of wildlife, a lot of bird life. Small streams down here you'll see, and some days there's a lot of bird life. Today it's a little bit quiet. Sometimes you'll see fish jumping in the water also. A bit of bird life down here. Kind of quiet right now. Depends on the time of the year. Photographers enjoy this area. There's some more streams here. Sometimes you see fish jumping out of the water. A little hard to see right now with the contrast, but in the back of the hills above the river valley, and that in the background is Mexico. It's a pretty natural habitat down here. A lot of cactus, different types of ground foliage. On the other side of those row of condominiums is the Pacific Ocean. This is one of the shorter trails. We'll go down and take a look at what's at the end here. There's some prickly pear cactus in here. It's a pretty native thing. And also in the background you can see the cholla. One of the difficult things about cholla cactus is they drop these little balls that help the cactus to reproduce, only they're all over the ground. You gotta be careful. If you ever get one stuck in your shoe or anything, don't try to shake it off. Use your comb to pull it out and knock it off, because if you try to kick it off and fly back at you, it's not so pleasant. Here's another stream at the end of this trail. Here's another stream at the end of this trail. Really hard to see, but in the background there's a bull range in Mexico. We'll take a trek down there sometime later. Now this is the short trail, and if you look across the stream, you see where the other trail is, and you can't cross. So what you do is walk around on the other side. And it gives you a several mile hiking trail, which is really quite nice. This is a national wildlife refuge here. It's associated with many different agencies. Lots of bird life. Here's this stream from the other end. Different times of year, a lot of wildlife and a lot of bird life. And sometimes you see fish jumping. When the tide's in, this gets a lot more full in water out here. Also, depending on the tides, you can see people have their houses right up next to the estuary. And yes, you do have to put up with the Navy helicopter traffic, but they're there to protect us, so it's one of the fields where they practice a lot. One nice thing down here is they have nice benches you can sit down and enjoy. Right now there's just a few blossoms out, and eventually it'll be full around here. You see some budding starting. Blossoming here comes real soon in this area. Some more nice benches. You can see some of the blossoms are starting out here. Nice little bridges over streams. Nice spot to sit and relax. Looks like they can keep a good eye on the weather here with this weather station. And this is what this area is. They have a nice little interpretive area for speakers. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little trek. I'm Timothy Linsdau. Like and comment on my video. I know the audio is rough. But subscribe to my channel, a lot of other stuff on there, so enjoy. Thank you.